The judge just humiliated Johnny Somali in court after it was extremely obvious he kept lying and committed perjury. This is an insane update in the Johnny Somali criminal trial. But this hearing is a completely separate trial from the main one we've covered for a year. We're now in the Johnny Somali versus Youngman case. Most people don't know about this, but we got the info from another Korean streamer who was indicted. Now several streamers must testify, including Johnny Somali. Up until now, only the inner circle of Korean streamers knew about this trial. Johnny filed charges against Youngman after Youngman showed a deep fake of himself making out with Johnny's friend Hank, without permission, while venting on stream. That was a massive mistake for Youngman. He has a good lawyer and strategy, but he's currently in prison. Johnny filed this case to pressure Youngman to drop charges against him and secure a legal settlement. South Korea demands formal apologies. Youngman has apologized 5 times via handwritten letters from jail. Johnny has not apologized once. Worse, Johnny pleaded not guilty to the same act he's charging Youngman with, distributing deep fakes. His defense last time: I didn't make them, I just distributed them. Youngman didn't make them either. He only showed the clip on stream. Same act. Hypocrisy. Johnny is charging Youngman with deepfakes, stalking, and assault with a baton. Deepfakes started it. Baton added in May. Stalking in August. First witness, Hank Ramsey, Johnny's only friend in Korea. Second, Johnny Somali, Ramsey Ismail. Third, Bang TV, AI, Korean IRL streamer part of the group, trying to stop Johnny from harassing citizens. Quick lore. The group includes Dalan, punched Johnny. Youngman, threw cinder blocks through courthouse windows during martial law. December 3, 2024, J Company, and Bang TV. Only Daloon and Youngman in legal trouble. Bang TV witnessed the alleged baton incident. At court, Johnny and Hank requested privacy for testimony, claiming victim status and witness protection. They're sequestered. Courtroom closed. Johnny gets 60,000 won, 45 to testify. His first income. We were removed, but got full testimony via legal sources. Johnny's testimony, TL. DR, lied repeatedly. Said I don't know, remember to facts he clearly knows. Avoided admitting he distributed deepfakes on YouTube before Youngman. Claiming police verified I didn't make it. Kept falling back on I didn't make it excuse. Claimed Youngman made false accusations in November. Reason he filed charges. Admits transactional intent. Falsely said Youngman distributed first. Lied to his lawyer March 27th. Said both Youngman and Bongbong distributed first. Claimed Youngman leaked his address, but couldn't confirm his own address. Couldn't recall assault details. Said he doesn't remember who brought the baton. Hank did. Called it the scariest day of my life and trauma-blocking memory. Named Gino as only witness. Tried submitting video on the spot. Improper. Evidence must be pre-submitted. Admitted saying, "Come find me" on October 28th and 30. Inviting confrontation. Undermining stalking claim. Said he filed charges against 1 or 2 others. Mentioned dog but not Bongbong. Possibly failed against. Bongbong judge repeatedly said his story doesn't add up and pressed questions. Johnny dodged. Hank's testimony didn't know. Youngman but accused him of making deepfakes. Asked judge why it took a month to sue. Said Korean law isn't fair to Johnny. Doesn't trust system. Irrelevant. No straight answer on deepfake production. Wants settlement and money. Admitted he's only involved because of Johnny. If Ramsey doesn't press charges, neither do I. Bang TV's testimony. Youngman showed deep fake to explain the crime against him. Confirmed Johnny tried fleeing to US after attack. Johnny challenged streamers. Come find me on October 28th. Destroy stalking claim. Group tracked Johnny because he harassed elderly, defaced Statue of Peace, trashed Korea, treated citizens like animals, never saw Youngman hit Johnny with baton, saw no injury. Believes Johnny made the deepfakes. Knows Johnny distributed first. Case against Youngman crumbling. Deepfake. Johnny showed maliciously first. Youngman and Bongbong reacted in disgust. Stalking. Johnny invited confrontation. Assault. Johnny forgot details. No proper evidence. They brought the baton. Court recalled Johnny and Hank for settlement. Johnny wants mutual charge withdrawal. Hank drops money demand. Johnny, willing to put this behind us. Settlement text. Translated. All parties do not wish to pursue punishment for criminal cases between them. Must be formalized, but likely will be. Legal view. Hank and Youngman may not testify next week. Similar to Latte World case where witness was dropped after guilty plea. Outcome: Johnny drops one deepfake charge against Youngman. Big win. Now faces one deepfake charge, max 7 years, instead of 2. But committed perjury on record, huge risk. Youngman avoids decade in added charges. Trading 3 charges for 1 whore win. Already in prison, not worth fighting. Bong Bong has no deepfake charges. Johnny lacks leverage. Johnny still faces max 12-year cap across charges. Minimum reduced but perjury exposed. He's down 7-0 in a soccer match and just scored 1 goal. Locked in but long uphill battle. Bong Bong testifies soon. Court sketch unavailable, kicked out. Original sketch prints. 20, link in description. Limited Halloween 2025. Soul collection plus mouse pads also available. Thanks for the support. Next video in 12 hours. Peace.